In this video, I am going to be showing you how to fix FIFA 23 anti-cheat error. Many users of FIFA 23 experiencing problems when loading the game due to the anti-cheat system. Now to fix this error, first you have to restart your computer. Now when your computer is under restarting, keep tapping on BIOS key on your keyboard. Go to the disable secure boot from the BIOS and don't forget to save the changes. Now on your PC, go to the FIFA 23 folder and run the anti-cheat as administrator. Now uninstall it. Once it's uninstalled, run FIFA 23. Here you will get a message that says reinstall EA anti-cheat. Reinstall it to fix the error. So this is how you can fix FIFA 23 anti-cheat error. I hope this video helps you out. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like on this video. Also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.